Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to check your gift card balance on Venus. If you don't have a Venus account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click sign in/sign up. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, scroll down a little. Then you will see an option for gift cards. Click on gift cards. Now on this page, scroll down until you see a section for gift card balance inquiry. Then on the field provided, enter the gift card number. After entering, click on submit. That's how you check your gift card balance on Venus. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.